Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falls.
Thank you.
Doubt it when I lost, slide back when I win.
Welcome to Dubai. We've literally just checked in. We're staying at the JW Marriott by the Marina. I'm giving you guys a first look of our hotel room. It's a really nice touch that they've done here with the petals on the bed. I couldn't resist doing that, but now let's get on with the room tour. Here we have a balcony, but the most important part is the view. Just check that out. Our balcony has a great view of the Dubai Marina, and that view continues on into the bathroom. So here we are. Nice big mirror. I can't wait to use this bath. Besides that, a pretty normal bathroom, huge shower over here. Let's discover some more of the room. I really love these shutters. We also have a little snack area that I definitely need to make the most of at some point. And then a little mini bar. I actually don't drink, but it's a nice little touch. And then of course, as you would expect, somewhere to make some tea and coffee. Now it's time to get ready for the day. We're off to a restaurant called Three Pills and I'm super excited to try the Wagyu Sando. Guys, I must say the Sando was 10 out of 10. Thank you. Hello. Even though we just ate a ridiculous amount of food at the other restaurant, we thought that whilst we're in the area we might as well check out Salt because we've heard good things about it and it did not disappoint. The burger was chef's kisses. But now we're going back to the hotel so we can chill. My partner's not really a breakfast person, so I've come down here solo. I've been super impressed with the breakfast offering that they have here. I've literally had 3 plates of food, absolutely wild. Now that I've eaten, I'm gonna head over to the pool, soak in the sun and relax. To the pool we go. I've come to the pool and there's literally no one here. I mean, there's a few people, but you get the gist of it. I've nearly got this whole place to myself. I am enjoying the view and I cannot wait to get into the water. Before I get into the pool, let me show you around a little bit more. So as you can see, there's loads of sunbeds. There's a little restaurant at the end of the pool area where I'm sure I will get a few aquapanas later. This is enough talking. I need to get in the pool. I'm definitely going to be here for several hours soaking up the sun, enjoying the water. But after that, I'll show you the rest of what I get up to today.
Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl.
We have just made it to the Global Village. As we enter, the guy stops us to get photos, and of course we bought them. We got some really nice shots in front of the arch. I've heard really good things about the Global Village, so I'm really excited to experience it. So many countries represented here.